And it's all loaded up, the case 1816. And it's off to go. So here's a close-up view of this case 1816. It's not the same one as the one from earlier video. That was the 1816C. It has a manure fork bucket. And it's not quick attach. You just have the manual bolts and stuff. Yeah, more screw tires on this side. The hour meter is bashed up. We got a battery set in there. Right now the fuel tank has old gas in it, 5-year-old stuff, so I won't be using that. Instead, we rigged up a Gatorade. I know, you can run your equipment off a Gatorade and you use the clear liquid stuff, and that makes your engine go pop, pop, pop. Then we have our key starters there instead of down here, which is normally down there. Throttle does work. Their choke is right here. You just pull on this and this is their choke. Lines look alright. They're not the greatest shape, not the worst either. We do have a pressure gauge of some sort sitting here. Not sure if it works or not. Then this is the Honda motor at the back here. This is a added one. Before it was the case motor, but they added a Honda motor here. Yeah, a few electronics here and there. The starters there, 2-cylinder V-twin engine, fuel pump there, and I just bypassed this gas there. You can see down that line, it looks pretty rotten down there, so I'll have to get new stuff for there. And overall it's pretty dirty. Looks like we have a bit of an oil leak from the bottom there underneath the belly there, so we'll have to take a look at that. But it looks very straight underneath. It's not dinged up or anything. Massive dents in the pan. That's good. And then I think one thing we do have is our belt tensioning isn't quite working. So the left drive isn't seeming to have as much power, but that the drive belt is very loose. But the right side doesn't seem to it doesn't engage or disengage either. It's always tight and the other one's always loose. So it could just be it needs an adjustment, or that whole spring mechanism isn't working. Yeah, we got hydraulics down there. The seat's pretty nice actually. We got a nice seat. It's not worn out, and that's backrest and everything, so that's pretty slick. And yeah, we just got a black cage instead of the brown cages. It's a little bit rusted from sitting in the barn. See up top, it's all rusty and stuff, so maybe we just clean up the roll cage up a bit. But it's just been sitting and spinning some manure stuff, so hasn't had the most care per se, but it has been worked on before. Let's just say that. If you look at her fin, it looks like someone backed right up into a gate or something and pinched that hydraulic, or yeah, it's a hydraulic cooling fin. So hopefully that's not hindering the flow of hydraulics too much. Yeah, and that's about it to show, really. We'll have some work to do, but for now, let's see if we can get it started up and roll it off the wagon.
up, bucket, drive forward.
And there's the race marks all set up already. See, there's dirt still on the tires. Same with this one here. It's lots of fun.